raking out the joints, end of the day. I don't know how many courses we did, but courses. All right, so we rake out the joints, we clean up, and we go. Boerengorend. Yeah. Some music, why not? I'll give you guys some music. So we finished for today, making the point. Is it cable end in English, I guess? Alright, we're out. Right, it's the 22nd. Just picked up my scaffold. We're gonna unload it for the front side, then we can make the roof. And for the left side, for the masonry. Oh, yeah. 11 o'clock, 22nd November. We just lifted the saffordage up. Noon, 22nd. Still working on the crossbond. So soon we will arrive on the window, and this is a soldier course, but not straight. It's a little bit off angle, like downstairs actually. First Okay, we are back for another episode, a Saturday edition, 23 November, making muck, mortar, pap, myrtle. So the sable, the sand, looks like this, so you don't buy this in the store. The guy just dug it up somewhere. Just need to put a half one here. It should be 0.2 millimeters, 0.2 millimeters. It makes a nice mortar. Sometimes you find some things in there. I don't know, maybe it's cat shit. You're not gonna touch it, or you find some pieces of old wood in there. Yep, like this stuff. It's like yellow, grayish, brownish sand. Some music. Enjoy. Alright, 23rd, we're gonna lift the scaffold. That looks good. Header, 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 header. The first batten, I'm gonna the tiles should be 1/3 into the gutter. So that's the position of the battle, I don't know, yeah, the panlat. Drie, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I need 11 tiles, so I'm gonna calculate the average distance is open and closed. 1.15 is the average distance. Then we take the distance from the batten up to the batten down. We divide this distance by that number. Yummy. My hands. Okay. So I just put 10 tiles like this. I measure them open and closed. And then I calculate the average distance. So the bricks, let's take a close look. Calculated the It's a real old
the
brick
distance of the battens in each.
and the length. Yeah, this
We
is
put
alright.
these lines on the roof, make the chalk lines,
Right.
and now start shooting the battens. This is gonna be ready very quickly, yeah? When the battens are ready, I make a bisectrice or something, and then I'll calculate the tiles, yeah, and then we chalk them.
Huisje bouwen. Building a house. Wall, roof. So we started today with the battens. This noon. It's going fast. If you know the lines, no problem. The sizes are very different. For an example, if I hold this there, boom, 1 centimeter. Battens are busy, work in progress. Alright, still the 23rd November. That's a Saturday edition. 4 o'clock. Scaffold is almost
end of the
lifted.
day.
Putting the
So
bricks
we're busy with
here,
the walls
and down to here.
How many layers?
1, 2, 3, 4 boxes.
Like this.
The battens are almost done. Monday we continue. 27 courses from the soldier course we started this morning. Piece of cake.